T-minus 60 seconds and counting. We passed T-minus 60.
Hello and welcome to 1 Minute to Launch. In this video, we're going to be talking about the kit of parts. So you might think of the kit of parts as just that tote and the box you got on kickoff day, but there's actually a lot more to it than that. So hopefully when you got your kit of parts on day one, you went through it and took inventory, and you might have seen all of those different flyers and pamphlets and all of that. Those are how you access all of the virtual kit of parts information. It includes the first choice vouchers, which gives you credits so you can buy things in the first choice store. It also includes a virtual kit of parts, which has product vouchers for various organizations and licenses for important software such as Wolfram, Tableau, and CAD softwares. So make sure you take advantage of all of those opportunities. Thank you.
The launch team wishes you good luck and Godspeed.